Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a camera lock to your photos on your Motorola phone. So we can just swipe up from the bottom and let's just type in Files. Now if we go to Files, there is an option under here to lock my specific videos or files or photos. So you can see under Collections, if I go to this little dot right here, I can go to Show Safe Folder, and in the Safe Folder I can have things protected by a lock that's different than my passkey. So you can see I have some images right here. Let's go to Images, just me taking some quick pictures. Let's go to the top right now and go to Move to Safe Folder, and then type in the password, and that one is now moved. So if you have some images you don't want people seeing, like that awful image of me, well, you can keep it in the safe folder right here. To change the password and stuff, you want to go back, go to the top under this screen and go to Settings, and then go on over to Safe Folder right here. We can change the lock and we can reset the folder right there, and that will delete everything. So you can hide this now too, so if you don't want people seeing it on your phone, well, you can just completely hide it. And then we can go into here again. And then you can delete things or move them out of here too. So if you got some sort of image. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.